Number 5 is Voxelab Aquila X3 3D printer. Unleash your creativity with the ultimate companion for furries, the Voxelab Aquila X3 3D printer. And the magic doesn't stop there. The Aquila X2 boasts a symphony of precise filament control, erasing jittery nightmares and cradling your PLA, ABS, PETG, and even flexible materials like a gentle breeze. A carborundum glass platform that's not just a platform but a stage for your dreams. Heating up in a mere 5 minutes, it embarks on a war against warping, ushering in a new era of ultra-smooth first layers. Durability meets design as the Aquila original platform takes on high-intensity prints without breaking a sweat. The whispers of the night are no match for the Aquila X2 Silent Symphony. With a 32-bit motherboard, it dances through your projects gracefully, serenading you with low-decibel melodies while tackling unexpected power outages like a seasoned pro. Embrace the open-source magic, for this FDM printer wears the badge proudly, offering a spacious print volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches within its metal-framed embrace. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for furries. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.